Hello friends, welcome back to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting upcoming smartphones, the powerful Infinix 60 Pro 5G. This device is attracting a lot of attention because it promises premium features, a stylish design, and strong performance at a very competitive price. Starting with the design, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G comes with a modern and premium look that instantly stands out. The smartphone features a sleek body with a beautiful camera module on the back, giving it a flagship-style appearance. The build quality feels solid, and the slim profile makes it comfortable to hold in the hand. Moving to the display, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G is expected to feature a large AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The screen is perfect for watching videos, gaming, and everyday browsing. With a high refresh rate, users can experience smoother scrolling and a more responsive touch experience. Performance is another strong point of the Infinix 60 Pro 5G. The phone is powered by a capable processor that ensures smooth multitasking and reliable performance. Whether you are playing modern mobile games, streaming content, or running multiple apps, this smartphone is designed to handle everything efficiently. The addition of 5G connectivity also means faster internet speeds and improved online experiences. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G is expected to come with an impressive high-resolution main camera that captures detailed photos and vibrant colors. The camera system is designed to perform well in different lighting conditions, including low-light photography. The front camera also offers great quality for selfies and video calls. Battery life is equally important, and the Infinix 60 Pro 5G delivers in this area as well. The device includes a large battery that can easily last through a full day of normal usage. Fast charging support ensures that the phone can quickly power up when needed. Overall, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G looks like a very promising smartphone with a powerful combination of design, performance, camera quality, and battery life. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more smartphone reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro, and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.